Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Google account. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without waste your time, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use any browser and you can also do the same step on your iPhone. So now click and go to Google. Then you see the top left corner sign in options. Click this sign in. Then click create account for my personal use, for my child and for my work, for a business. As you want, I choose for my personal use. Then choose any name as like. Then click next. Add your birthdays. And now you select the gender male, female. I choose male. Okay, then click next. Then click next. You can see my Gmail is here. Now choose any Gmail. Then click next. Now create a password. Always create a strong password. So I create the strong password. Then click next. After that, enter your mobile phone number which receive the verifications code. So I write my number. Now you can see the verifications code is here. Enter the verifications code and now your Google account is created. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.